This is exactly how I want it, guys. I was walking in the street of Pinterest. I saw this earring. I say, wow, I love this. This is beautiful. Then I say, I will make it for my YouTube family. I think they will like it too. This earring is so beautiful, guys. I give you the best and I explain my tutorial very well. If there is something you don't understand when watching my video, do not hesitate to comment below. Ask me in the comment below. I will always answer your question. Okay, guys? Let's dive to the DIY. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. This is the jeans I will be using for this tutorial. And I will be cutting these jeans like 2 or 3 styles. Let's see. Because I will be using these jeans for other projects too. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using it for earrings. I will start to cut it. I cut this 22 inches by 6 inches. This is not a shock. This is the soap I use for baiting. When it's finished, it remains this like this. I use it as shock. I use it for other things too. This one I'm cutting is 1/2 inch. You just eyeball it. It doesn't matter if some are bigger than some. If you love to see what I'm going to be making with this in my next tutorial, subscribe to my YouTube channel and on the notification bell. Subscribing is not enough. On the notification bell, that is how you're going to be seeing my new updates. So you see what I'm going to be making with this, you see? This is the second style. And this one for the earring is the first style. So I will put them in this bag, everything in this bag. Then I will take it to the washing machine to wash it. There's a result I'm looking for. I hope I get it. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see. This is exactly how I want it, guys. This is how it was before. And this is how it is now. This is how I want it. You just give it more volume. You see all these fringes just came out of the side. You know, this is exactly what I want. So I will leave it to dry, then I'll come back, then we'll make the earring. My jeans is dry now, so what I will do, I'll cut off away from this. I will use just this. This is quilling too. You see it has a cut in the middle. I will use this to roll the jeans. You see, if you don't have, you see the way I did it? I pass it through like this. See, there's a cut here. If you don't have quilling tool, you can roll it with your hand. But if you like this project, get yourself a quilling tool. You get better results, and it's more faster too. You see the way, you see quilling tool, what it does? Just be rolling it like this. As you are rolling it, you'll be putting gum. I'll put a little gum here. Then I'll continue to roll. I prefer using quilling tool because it's more faster. It's more faster and it gives the roll a better tight, you know. So I'll just do like so, and I'll remove it, and I'll put this to clip it down and leave it a bit to dry. While waiting for the fringe to dry, I will prepare my bead. Prepare my bead. I'll pass it through here like so. Then I'll cut it. And I'll bend it again. So my fringe is dried now. This gum dry fast. Like not 100% dry. It's dry for me to be able to work on. Then I'll take this and pass it through here, see? And I will open this place. Then I will put bead, you see? Then I'll put bead again. Then I'll twist the wire. I put bead here to block it so that the wire will not come out from this side. It's not hard, it's just for you to have the tools, the things needed for this earring. That's all. This is the second one. This is it, guys.